Hello, all. My kind of review over this Dyson V8 Animal. So it's cordless, as you can see. And the reason why I want to show you how this thing works is my little corner here, that's my litter box because I have a lot of cats. And then my problem all the time is the litter sand right there. So I have an iRoomba that do all the cleaning every twice a day, but I want to get rid of the sand quickly, so that's why I have this. Like I said, I have a lot of cats at home, so I'll show you how this thing works. It's on, I put that in high suction, but usually when I do this I only use the other one, the max suction, not the high, and it really works well. So let's go. Look at it. That's the difference. It really sucks even if it's still just put it on. Okay, so and then when you empty this, I'll show you. To empty it, you just have to pull this up. Okay, and when you open this up, see, you'll drop everything in here, and then when you close it back, you just have to push this down and then just bring this up. That's it. That's how to close and empty the compartment there. Very cool. So to charge it is, you just have to put it like this and then down, and then you charge it, and there's the battery, like how full it is. It will turn all blues when the battery is full. This is Dyson V8 Animal. If you have a lot of animals at home, lots of hairs, you need this. And these are the accessories that come with it. I hardly use it. I use the big one all the time. That's the one that we use.